Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we will see how to book a session on Qurantuitions. Download and install the Qurantuitions app. Open the app, allow necessary permissions. Homepage of Qurantuitions will appear. Here, you will see different courses. You can select your preferred course. I will choose Quran reading, that is Tilawa. A list of tutors will appear who are available to teach Quran reading. You can further filter your search by choosing your preferred tutor's language. I am going to choose English and Urdu. Now choose your preferred tutor's gender. Here I will choose a female tutor. Now you can select any tutor of your choice from this filtered list. You can click on any tutor's intro. It will show the basic details about the tutor. Click on View Profile to see more details or to book a session. Here, you can see a short description about the tutors, available courses the tutor is teaching, language the tutor speak, tutor's reviews, total session the tutor has conducted, total students of the tutor. For booking that tutor's session, click on your preferred course. Here, I will choose Quran reading. A calendar will appear. It will show the available dates and time of that tutor. Here you can choose your preferred date and time for your session. Click on Add this booking to cart and then after the page is loaded again, click on Checkout. A checkout page will appear. You have to fill the basic details like name, contact number, etc. If you are a returning customer, that is, if you have already created an account in Qurantuitions, you can tap on Click here to log in. If you haven't created an account yet, no problem. Your account can be created on this page itself. The next option is, if you have any coupon code, you can apply it here. If you haven't logged in, then there will be a bar named Create Account Password. There you have to type the password that you will be using to log in to your account in future. Select the communication tool. Zoom is preferred. Here you will see the details, the session that are in the card. Select your payment option. I will select the first option, that is for Indian bank accounts. Page will load and will redirect you to ResortPay. Here you can select your preferred mode of payment, that is card, UPI or net banking. I will choose UPI because it's convenient for me. Click on any UPI app that you have in your device. Enter your UPI ID and click on Pay Now. It will load a bit. When this message appears, please accept the request from ResortPay's VPA or your UPI app. Go to your UPI app. Don't close Qurantuitions app from the background. Keep it in recent. Do the payment on your UPI app. Once the payment is done, return back to the Qurantuitions app from the recent apps. It will show the confirmation message that your order has been received and the details of your order will be displayed. You will also receive a confirmation email of your registered email ID.